The future of the Iraqi dinar, key developments and economic insight. Hey everyone, welcome back to IQD to VND. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. We're aiming for 200 subscribers in just 10 days. Today, we're diving deep into some of the most fascinating updates and intel regarding the Iraqi dinar, IQD, and its potential future developments. Many of you have been eagerly waiting for insights into Iraq's economic outlook, exchange rate fluctuations, and the broader financial landscape. With everything happening right now, this is a pivotal moment to explore the potential changes that could reshape the Iraqi dinar's value and the country's financial system. So, let's jump in and take a closer look at what's been happening lately. The potential of the Iraqi dinar. As many of you know, there has been widespread discussion regarding the Iraqi dinar's future valuation. Experts and analysts have weighed in on the potential revaluation, RV, of the currency, with some speculating that it could increase significantly. Expert predictions. Some sources, including well-known figures like Firefly and Mr. SEI, suggest that the Iraqi dinar could reach anywhere between $3.50 and $3.80 in the near future. However, this comes with a crucial caveat. The expectation is that the dinar might follow a managed float system, where its value increases by about 10% daily for a certain period. Other sources, such as Mr. Sami, propose that the dinar could even reach a ceiling of $4 before stabilizing. However, he admits that this prediction remains uncertain, as currency markets are notoriously volatile and influenced by unpredictable factors. While these are merely projections, many investors and observers have a strong gut feeling that Iraq is on the verge of a major economic transformation. Why is the Iraqi dinar expected to rise? Historical perspective. Looking at the history of the Iraqi dinar, we see that before the early 1990s Gulf War, the IQD was valued at around $3.22 per dinar. This has led to speculation that Iraq may attempt to restore its currency's past glory by moving it back toward that range, or even higher. Economic growth strategy. Iraq's economic growth plan plays a key role in this potential revaluation. The government and Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, are working towards modernizing financial institutions, enhancing trade relations, increasing foreign investment, reducing reliance on the US dollar. If Iraq successfully stabilizes its financial system and strengthens its economy, there's a solid argument that the dinar's value could increase significantly. Exchange rate volatility and market movements. Recent intel from Bruce I-27's team suggests that exchange rates for the Iraqi dinar are already appearing on financial market screens. This is a significant development because it means 1. Rates are fluctuating rapidly. 2. Market volatility is increasing. 3. A potential currency shift is underway. This is good news for traders, but it also presents risks for those who are not prepared for sudden market movements. Iraq is currently undergoing an economic transformation, and these fluctuations could signal the beginning of a major shift in how the dinar is valued globally. The risks of parallel banking systems and shadow economies. One of the major concerns regarding the Iraqi dinar is the existence of parallel banking systems and shadow economies. What is a parallel banking system? A parallel banking system refers to financial activities that take place outside the formal banking network. These could include underground financial operations, unregulated currency exchanges, unofficial trade networks. What is a shadow economy? A shadow economy consists of financial transactions that occur outside of government regulation. This poses a significant risk to the Iraqi economy because 1. It weakens financial oversight. 2. It makes currency manipulation easier. 3. It creates obstacles to full economic integration. The Iraqi government and CBI are actively working to eliminate these financial risks to stabilize the currency. The impact of U.S. dollar supply reduction. Another key issue that has sparked discussions is what happens if the United States reduces or cuts off Iraq's access to the U.S. dollar? Potential consequences. If the U.S. were to restrict dollar access, Iraq might have no choice but to accelerate its transition to a new currency system, the RUA. This transition could strengthen the dinar, reduce reliance on foreign currency, force Iraq to adopt economic reforms faster. Many experts believe that this shift away from the U.S. dollar could ultimately lead to the dinar rising above $1, which would be a massive milestone for the currency. Iraq's banking reforms and global integration. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has recently announced major reforms to the banking system. One of the most notable changes is that by June 1st, all Iraqi banks must settle electronic payments, have an account with an international bank like J.P. Morgan or Citibank. Potential impact. This reform will 1. Force local banks to work with global financial institutions. 2. Increase transparency and regulation. 3. Reduce risks of financial fraud and parallel banking systems. However, some experts warn that these reforms could also hurt local banks that cannot meet international standards. The bigger picture. What this means for you, for those following the Iraqi dinar, this is a crucial turning point. Iraq is undergoing significant financial modernization, which could lead to major currency changes. Key takeaways. Iraq is working to modernize its economy and reduce dependence on the U.S. dollar. The Iraqi dinar has the potential to rise significantly, with predictions ranging from $3.50 to $4 or beyond. The market is highly volatile, meaning both opportunities and risks exist. Iraq's banking system is undergoing major changes, which could affect both local and international investors. If Iraq successfully implements its economic reforms, we could see a major shift in global currency markets. Final thoughts. No one can predict the exact timeline of these changes, but the signs indicate that Iraq is moving toward a stronger financial future. If you're invested in the Iraqi dinar, or simply following its journey, this is a time to pay close attention. The next few months could be crucial in determining the future value and role of the dinar in the global financial system. Stay tuned for more updates. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and join our journey toward 200 subscribers in just 10 days. What do you think? Will the dinar revalue soon? Share your thoughts in the comments.